Hi, it's Jason at Jordan Bikes. They've got for you Aprilia RSV4 APRC Factory. Absolutely gorgeous is this. These are just a work of art. Loads and loads of trick bits on this, so we'll talk you through them all, but they're just an absolute beautiful bike. Amazing to ride and sound fantastic. So it's got a few tasty extras on it. It's got the ASV levers that you can see there. Dripping with some exotica, so you've got the Ohlins fully adjustable forks at the front. You've got carbon side panels, Ohlins fully adjustable rear shock. Akrapovic titanium decat pipe with carbon exhaust, carbon hanger, carbon hugger. Just absolutely gorgeous. All the machining and finishing on it. They're a beautiful bike. They come with launch control, wheelie control. It's also got traction control, ABS, power modes. They're just an absolute weapon of a bike for the road. 2011 on 11 plate. Done 9,271 miles. Really good solid history as well. It's got the ASV levers. Just a lovely, lovely bike. We'll give it a start for you so you can hear it. Does sound fruity, does that? So come on down to Jordan Bikes and take a listen for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.